This overtime's gonna mess everything up. Pedro's probably already losing it.
This is the last time, I swear.
You always say that.
Just tell him the system crashed. The manager kept us locked in.
Pedro always buys that story.
Here's in this video, I will be showing you step by step how videos like this are created. Watch till the end so that you will not miss a step. First of all, go to ChatGPT, then describe the character and the scene in JSON format for creating it in Google Gemini. As you can see, the girl can be a banana and the guy can be an avocado in a 9:16 aspect ratio. You can see this is the generated prompt for the image. So right now, what I'll do is copy the prompt and go to Google Gemini. As you can see on the screen, this is Google Gemini. So right now, I'll paste the prompt and generate. You can see the image is currently generating, so give it a few seconds. As you can see on the screen, the image has finished generating. So this is the character and this is the generated prompt from ChatGPT. Initially, this was our reference image and this is the generated image. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and say, give me 3 prompts for text to image generation in JSON format for this story. As you can see, I provided the whole story to ChatGPT and it generated the scenes. Scene 1, work tension. Scene 2, at home, husband suspicious protective. Scene 3, conversation, truth, and conflict. Scene 4, night scene, sudden fear. Scene 5, bathroom reveal, pregnancy test. Scene 6, sharing the news with husband. Scene 7, hospital bed. Scene 8, final conflict. As you already know, we've generated the first image for scene 1. Now we copy scene 2, go to Google Gemini, and paste. As you can see, the image is generating. Give it a few seconds. All right, the image has finished generating. You can see how realistic it looks. Now we go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 3, paste it into Gemini, and generate. Give it a few seconds. Then we move on to scene 4. As you can see, the images have finished generating. The same process applies to the rest. As you can see, I've generated all the scenes. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5 pregnancy test, Scene 6, Scene 7, and Scene 8, the final scene where the banana man confronts the banana woman. Now we have everything ready. I'll download all the images, which I'm doing right now. As you can see, all these images were generated for free. You can go ahead and generate as many scenes as you want for your Fruit AI video. Once all the images are downloaded, I'll jump into Flow. First, I'll upload all the images I saved from Google Gemini. Then, I'll switch the mode to image, click the plus button, and upload the images. As you can see, the images are uploading. Let's give it a few seconds. Now the images have finished uploading. You can see all 8 scenes here. Next, go to the video option. Leave it at a 9:16 ratio, and we'll use Veo 3, the latest model. Flow gives 150 free daily credits that you can use to generate videos. You can create multiple accounts if you need more credits. Now I'll select scene 1 and go back to ChatGPT. I'll ask for a video prompt with dialogue in a casual format optimized for Veo 3. As you can see, this is the generated video prompt. Copy scene 1 and paste it into Flow. The video is now generating. Give it a few seconds. As you know, Flow is very fast. You can see the video has finished generating. Now we repeat the same process for scene 2. Select the scene, get the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate. Give it a few seconds. Now let's add scene 3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it, and generate. Let's preview the video.
I don't like your boss. Something feels wrong.
As you can see, the video looks very realistic. We repeat this process for all scenes. As you can see on the screen, I've generated the full video from scene 1 to scene 8. The result came out really nice. So guys, if you want the prompt for this video, kindly comment prompt and I'll send it to you. Now I'll download the videos and upload them into CapCut, which I use for editing. As you can see, everything we use to generate this video from start to finish is here. This is the story and how it all started. Like I said, if you want the prompt, comment prompt and I'll share it with you. Now I've downloaded all the videos. These are the clips from scene 1 to scene 8. I'll upload them into CapCut for editing. As you can see, I've added the videos from Flow, included some effects and sounds, and after a few edits, boom, the video is ready. Let's watch the final result.
My boss! He keeps taking advantage of me at work!
I don't like your boss. Something feels wrong.
I hope you trust me. I just had so much work. Ah! Ah!
Hey, what's wrong?
Oh my god, I'm pregnant.
Oh my god! I'm gonna be a father! That's amazing! Wait, what is this? So you were cheating on me the whole time? Good time!
If you want the prompt, comment prompt and I'll reply with it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.